Hi everyone, it's Rob here with some more creative writing for you. This time I want all you young authors to write a story called The Treacle Pudding from Outer Space.